Hello friends, dear parents and dear students. I am Dr. Beena Johnson, Developmental Pediatrician and Senior Consultant in Child Guidance. Good memory power is essential for all students to become successful in exams. During seminars for students on motivation and excellence in exams, many students have expressed their problems related to memory during the exam period. This video explains the scientific techniques to increase memory and retrieve the academic information learned during exam time so that the students can perform well and excel in all exams. First, I will explain the basic science behind the memorization techniques. Human memory involves the ability to acquire, retain, and later retrieve information. The three major processes involved in memory are encoding, storage, and retrieval. The first step to create memory is called encoding. When we come across a piece of information, our brain consciously perceives the sounds, images, and other sensory details from it. The three main ways in which information can be encoded are the following. One is visual, that is through pictures. Second is acoustic, that is through sounds. And third, semantic, that is by understanding the meanings, both conceptual meaning and associative meaning. The second step to create memory is called storage. All the pieces of information learned are stored in different areas of brain. The neurons or the nerve cells in brain pass signals to each other and build long-lasting connections. The strength of these connections increase the storage of information. The third step is retrieval. This is the process of getting information out of memory storage by revisiting the neuronal pathways created when the storage of memory occurred. Long-term memory is the final stage of memory and provides lasting retention of information. Explicit memory is a long-term memory and it involves recall of previously learned information that requires conscious effort to retrieve. Formation of explicit memories requires several rounds of stimulation, significant effort, and considerable time. Explicit memory will fade in the absence of recall. Remember to subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon to get all the updates from the channel Best Child Development and Parenting. Now I will explain the best ways to increase memory. Elaborative rehearsal. Elaborative rehearsal is a very effective memory improving technique that is useful for transferring information into long-term memory. This involves thinking about the meaning of the information and connecting it to other informations already stored in memory. Hence, while studying, try to link new information to the things you already know. Actively attend to the information while learning. Students can use visual and auditory aids to increase the focus of attention. Attention is an important factor which is essential for information to move from short-term memory to the long-term memory. Hence, study in a place free of distractions. Organize your study space and give extra attention to difficult information. While giving maximum attention to the topic while learning, the information will be transferred to working memory, where the conscious processing of information takes place. Working memory is important for reasoning, learning, and comprehension. During written exams and oral exams, working memory will decide what your answer will be. Use deeper level of information processing. Many students had the experience of studying well but not being able to retrieve the information they have learned in the examination hall, or the retrieved information was incorrect, leading to a wrong answer in exams. This can be because the information processing which they used during studying was shallow and hence had only short retention and retrieval was not possible. Deep processing of information involves meaningful analysis of the topics through images or associations of information, and it will lead to better recall. Create mind maps for topics you have learned to get deeper level of information processing. Understand the concepts well and try to visualize the information learned. Give attention to the photographs, charts, and other graphics in the textbooks. The deeper the level of processing, the easier will be the recall of information during exams. Remember better with chunking. Learning by chunking is an active learning strategy by which individual pieces of an information is broken down and then grouped together during learning. If we divide the information learned into different small chunks, then we can store more information. Organizing information in small chunks will also help to retrieve the information easily. This will increase the learning efficiency and memory. Use the chaining technique. This is a good strategy for memorizing short lists. We can link the items in a list together by thinking of images that connect them. Lifestyle changes can also help in improving memory. Adequate sleep at night, regular exercise, and good nutrition can help to improve the memory of students. Review the study material, avoid cramming, and study regularly. Reviewing the notes or repeated viewing of flashcards with important points will help a student to retain the information better. Repeatedly recalling information helps to strengthen the neuronal connections related to long-term memory. Spaced rehearsal improves recall. Students who study regularly over a number of sessions will remember the study materials far better than those who do all of their studying in one session just before exams. Regular pattern of study is necessary for deep processing of information. Make mnemonics. Mnemonics help to encode information in such a way that allows storage and efficient retrieval. It can be a pattern of letters, ideas, or associations which help in remembering the data easily. Mnemonic devices can take the form of acronyms, music mnemonics, or rhyming mnemonics. Using these scientific techniques, students can improve their ability to encode, retain, and recall information. Thus, memory power increases and students will be able to excel in all exams. Best wishes to all students for excellence in exams. Thank you all. Kindly subscribe this channel for future updates on best child development and parenting.